It's been a minute, y'all. You might be wondering where I've been for the past few days that I've not uploaded any content, right? Listen, I've not been up to anything that much lately. I've only been doing a series of revision upon revision because I'm left with few lessons to take to finish this SMC part of the journey. So I feel like let me strengthen myself in the lessons that I've taken already. Repetitive exposure leads to reinforcement. So I want to enforce myself in those aspects so that when I'm building up, it will not be anything that much difficult for me. I want to grab the whole concept very well so that when I start trading officially, it will be something that will help me. I don't want to find myself wanting along the journey, even though we still learn along the journey. But I feel like let me strengthen my foundation very well before I build up. So yeah, that's what I've been doing. And if you're new over here and you don't know what I'm talking about, my name is Godsway Amuzu, and I'm on a journey to become a profitable forex trader within 120 days. And today is day 26. And what I'm doing is just my revision. And I'm left with few lessons to take to finish SMC part of the journey. And we're going to see how everything is going to unfold within this 120 days. If I'll become profitable or not, I don't know yet. But yeah, it's a journey we are on, and let's see how it's going to unfold. So you are welcome to join me on this journey by subscribing to this YouTube channel and be my witness. Let's see how everything is going to unfold. If I'm able to do it, that means everybody, anybody at all on the planet Earth today can do it. So let's see how we are going to do it. This is a challenge and it is still on.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gonna feed them. If you come.
So guys, that's going to be it for this lesson, and I'm going to see you in the next video. All right, there's nothing much to talk about over here. It's just a typical day in my life doing revision, going back to revisit things like inducements, change of character, break of market structure, that's BMS and BOS, break of structure, and stuff like that. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bless up.
Taste in my mind starts feeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on.